So my topic for today is linear auxiliary equation. So for my example, first step that I did was ginawa kong auxiliary equation muna. So m raised to 6 plus 9m raised to 4 or dapat yan, and 24m squared plus 16 equals 0. So sa napapansin natin, ang mga exponent ay lahat even number. Pinili ko rin dito sa let x equals is m squared kasi siya yung pinakamaliit na even number. And ang goal ko dito is para ma-reduce yung degree and hindi tayo mahirapan mag-compute ng mga roots. Kaya m squared. So ito, dito na tayo. M squared, pwede nating express to m squared prime plus 9m squared squared plus 24m squared as is pa rin plus 16 equals 0. So ito, magiging x cubed plus 9x squared plus 24 x plus 16 equals 0. After neto, pwede na natin gawin yung synthetic division. Ginamit ko dito is negative 1. So, for checking, 1 times 9, no, 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, and 9 plus negative 1, 8. 8 times negative 1, negative 8, 24, plus negative 8, 16. 16 times negative 1, negative 16 equals 0. So, pwede siya. So, after nyan, nag-bring down ako ng degree. X squared plus 8x plus 16 equals 0. So, as you can see, parang equivalent lang yung negative 1 to x plus 1. And ito rin. So, x plus 1 times x plus 4 squared equals 0. Yung ginawa natin kanina, gawin natin ulit. Kasi, umulit lang. So, m squared plus 1 times m squared plus 4 squared equals 0. So, ang m natin dito is magiging positive negative I. And dito naman is positive negative 2i. And umulit siya kasi may squared. So, positive negative 2i. So, sulat na natin yung answer is 1 c sub 1 cosine x plus c sub 2 cosine x. Ito yun. And c sub 3 cosine 2x plus c sub 4 sine 2x. Ito yun. And for ito naman, dahil umulit, alagyan lang natin ng x. So, plus c sub 5x cosine 2x. And c sub 6 dapat yan. Sin x sine 2x. That's all.